money supersized. G5 super fly, should be supervised.
Ooh, welcome to Carter's. Wait, we'll do it again. Wait. Welcome to Carter's. Say it, Blake. My road dog's never far behind. Camera's moving, but we got this, y'all. It's Squeaky is my friend, and I went by her channel just to check on her content, and she was doing an awesome job. Good vibes only day family. Kool-Aid and Pickles challenge. And I don't know how much I have on room on my phone I have, and I got a Pickles thief, and she ate my pickle. So we're left with 3 pickles for this challenge. And this video is also dedicated to the company guy. Check out the company guy. Right, author? The company guy. We've been listening to him for 3 days. He taught us about the demise of Kmart, the demise of the Red Cup, unbeknownst to us. They were taken over by the Soul Cup, and then the Styrofoam Cup took over the Soul Cup, which took over the Red Cup that we all drink out of. Then we also learned about Starbucks and how they came about, the Gap. And did you know Old Navy is the Gap? And they didn't want to call it Old Warehouse or Warehousing Company, so they called it Old Navy. I'm learning so much at this guy's YouTube channel. You guys have got to check it out. But until you do, and in betwixt and tween time, thank you for coming to Carter's and hanging out with me. It's the best thing to do. It's just the best thing to do. Come on in. Always learn something new. Mix and mingle. Tell a neighbor, tell a friend. That means share this video. You never know who on Twitter or who amongst your Facebook friends wants to see me. Or Blake. Again, good vibes only day family. Get there. My name is Lisa. I'm your host here at Carter's Eat. We have an awesome husband named Arthur, an AJ who's 7, Blake who's 4, Mima and Papa are over there, and the chicken's cooking. So thank you for finding the time to find out what pickles and Kool-Aid taste like when dipped in one with the other. Let's get right into the video. Bless the spread and bless me. What we're doing is we're dipping the pickle right into the powder. Thank God there's only 3 pickles left. You want to taste it? Can you push pause so I don't get a strike?
Nope.
Who would do that and why? This is because I'm a It's Squeaky fan. Sorry. That was the pink lemonade. Thank God there's only 3. I'm gonna do this one next. Tropical punch. Blueberry. Blueberry raspberry. My vision. And I quote, It's Squeaky said, "Oh my God, y'all, this is so good." So I thought surely, because she said this is so good, it was really gonna be like kind of good. But then Arthur was like, "Lisa, you know Kool-Aid's not sweetened in the packet." I was like, "Sure it is." Blake, turn it down, please, so I don't get a strike. More. More. Turn that some more. One more. Thank you.
All the way down. Mommy.
All right, that was the tropical and the pink lemonade. Now we're going for the... Ooh. Ooh. We're going for the blue raspberry lemonade.
Mommy, I turned it all the way. I turned it all the way down.
You want to taste one? Thank you. Your daddy about to come get you. You want to taste it? You want to taste it? Hold on. Squeaky, you said it was good. You didn't say it was sour. Mm-hmm.
Taste it.
Okay, we'll taste it. Oh. Right. It's Squeaky said, and I quote, "It's so good, y'all have to do this." I said, I can do it because It's Squeaky said it was so good. I had no idea it was gonna be bitter. You try it and tell by Good Vibes Only Day Family what you thought of it. I did it. I'm done. Blake did it. Thank you for coming to Carter's Eat. Give this challenge a go, especially if you can handle the bitterness. Can you handle it? Can you handle it? Comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Where's your pickle? Here on Carter's Eat. Thank you for coming, and we'll see you in the next.
Where'd my pickle go, Mommy?
There it is.
You knocked it off.
Blake, say thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming.
Look at it.
Look at her.
Come over here and say it.
Thank you for coming.
Can you stand right
Thank
here?
you for coming.
She has on the A&T shirt. Come, 1891, North Carolina A&T State University, 1891. Thank you for coming to Carter's Eat.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi flash shine, get dough, champagne.
Sorry.
I want